In this video, I'll go through exactly how you can utilize ChatGPT, a new AI bot, to your advantage as a total beginner looking to start generating money online in 2023 and beyond. And if you're not entirely aware what ChatGPT is, it's basically an AI discussion tool, which means you can have a conversation with it, ask it any topic, and it will be able to respond to you with a thorough answer 95% of the time. But I haven't really seen that many people on YouTube talking about it in the exact ways that you're going to be able to use it when it comes to generating money online. I decided, you know what, let me make a complete video breaking down exactly what you can do if you are just starting this, looking to start making money online, using this particular AI tool. I won't spend any more time as usual. I'm eager to get started. By the way, don't forget to click the like button if you ever found something useful in this video. I'm incredibly grateful for it. Please accept my sincere thanks. Remember to subscribe as well. Press the notification button to have YouTube notify you when any video is available. Let's stop wasting time now and get started. The first thing you must do is make an account. To accomplish this, go to Google and type in OpenAI. Then you will immediately see ChatGPT. You may thus simply click there. You then need to click on this option over here to join up using either your email address or, if you already have a Google account, you may click on Continue with Google. After that, you'll need to input your name, verification, and phone number. Therefore, before you can move further, you must confirm your phone number. Thus, complete the full registration procedure. This page will appear when you've completed that. And the overall interface is incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. When it comes to your ability to initiate a conversation, you may select New Chat by clicking this link over here. The only thing you can do is begin typing the question right here. Let's begin with one of the earliest methods of earning money online, which is through Amazon affiliate marketing. You will also need your own website for this strategy, which I will describe in more detail later on, along with the simplest way to go about doing it. But here is one of my sample websites, In Tech of Today, which is definitely geared at those wishing to succeed with online businesses by utilizing the innovation and technology of the present day and earn money online. And as a result, every aspect is somewhat customized to revolve around all of these many sorts of issues. For instance, the top 11 dropshipping supplies to utilize and how to start dropshipping using Google Shopping advertising are examples of how to generate money online with Google. Imagine if I wanted to publish an article to this website that would assist me use Amazon affiliate marketing to create a passive source of revenue. I'll be able to make use of ChatGPT by asking it, what are the top 10 most popular laptops? I am aware that the commission rate on these products is substantial. As an example, as you can see, right? Hello, I said hello, is there any way I can assist you today? I said, can you tell me the top 10 popular laptops sold on Amazon? She responded by listing the models and top 10 laptops. From there, I said, can you write a blog article for each laptop, please? And she responded that she would be pleased to do so. As you can see, it then continued to provide me with a comprehensive article that I can now post on my website. I didn't copy the full article, instead I pasted it into a document. As you can see, it provided me with an 1,852-word article for the first 4 laptops, which is excellent for ranking on Google. From this point on, you must ensure that you read it carefully, check the accuracy of all the information on each and every laptop's specifications, and ensure that the grammar and lack of plagiarism are both proper. And there are other free services you may use to check that, after receiving your post and reading it carefully, you are satisfied with the way it reads and appears. The next step is to head over to Amazon and confirm that you have, of course, joined up for the Amazon Associates program, which is again quite easy to accomplish. You'll notice a gray bar up here at the top if you've been approved for the Amazon Associates program. You now know that you will be able to view your affiliate links moving forward. Additionally, you are aware that your blog piece is complete. Additionally, you are aware that the article focuses on the most well-liked laptops, increasing the likelihood that it will appear in Google search results when a user searches for that particular model. I've just stepped into the back end of my website to give you a sample of how the blog post will appear. You'll notice that I then list the best 10 laptops to buy in 2023. The post has undergone a few minor revisions, and I've inserted the Amazon affiliate link right here, and if I simply click on preview, obviously, it still needs a little bit of work. However, to give you an idea of how it will appear, the first one, which is this Apple MacBook Air, will be visible to everyone reading the post who scrolls down. They'll read all you've written. Afterward, they'll notice my Amazon affiliate link. They may access it with a simple click. They will be directed to the product page by it. And if they decide to purchase this item, I will be able to profit off of this entire sum right here. So when it comes to earning money online, it is one of the first things you guys might think about doing with ChatGPT. Let's move on to the second method, which is that we have established an online store and use it exclusively for discovering the best products. As an example, I opened a new conversation and said, "Hey." Then she said, "How can I help you today?" "What are the top 3 e-commerce categories?" I questioned. Then went on to provide his picks for the top 3 categories for me. For instance, home and garden, electronics, apparel and fashion, and house. Then I said, "Can you tell me the top 3 selling items in the home and garden category?" Then, based on its information and/or what it considers to be the 5 greatest types of items, it provided me the 5 products. As an example, consider furniture, home accessories, outdoor gear, appliances, and gardening tools and supplies. So let's say outdoors lighting or garden lighting. If we only look at outdoor living, I can see that it states outdoor furniture. But the important takeaway from this is that I now have a greater understanding of the kinds of products I would like to research further in order to choose the best products to offer. Consequently, using a product research tool is what you can do from there. For instance, I'm utilizing Zik Analytics, but since it's a premium service, we'll be switching to Shelf Trend, another research tool, to discover precisely which products are now being sold on eBay. Additionally, I tacked on garden lights. And as you can see, almost 214,000 garden lights with a price range of $2 to $67 were sold, or used, by 214,000 people. A perk of employing a tool like Zik Analytics or Shelf Trend is that it also has a successful listing rate of over 81%, which implies that if I were to offer the garden lights on my eBay store right now, I would have an 81% probability of making a sale. So, for instance, if I conduct a quick search on eBay, we can see that this seller has successfully sold over 247 different items. Therefore, employing ChatGPT's capabilities has helped me determine which things are worth selling. And with me conducting a little bit more investigation, it is obviously essential to back up the data by ensuring that you are conducting product research utilizing a program like Zik Analytics. But once you have a general concept of the goods you would like to sell, all you have to do is visit the website of a supplier, such as Alibaba.com, AliExpress, or CJ Dropship, and you'll be able to select a comparable item and begin selling it yourself. Okay, moving on quickly to affiliate marketing with ClickBank, especially using TikTok for traffic, which is one of the last methods I'm going to cover in this video that you can utilize ChatGPT to make money online. This step-by-step procedure is also quite easy to follow. Priorities come first. To begin, you must create a ClickBank account. The affiliate marketplace will then appear. From this point on, you'll see all of these various categories up here at the top. So when it comes to earning money online, it is one of the first things you guys might think about doing with ChatGPT. Let's move on to the second method, which is that we have established an online store and use it exclusively for discovering the best products. The gravity score will essentially show you which of the various products in this particular category has the highest conversion rate among all of the various people who are currently promoting it. As a result, you'll be able to get a sense of which product you might also succeed well with. Let's imagine, for instance, that you wanted to advertise a product on ClickBank where you could earn about $1.60 for each convert you received. Of course, you must ensure that you have a thorough understanding of the nature of the product in order to advertise it in the most effective manner. However, giving away a free ebook on TikTok is the best approach to attract people to click your ClickBank affiliate links. Then, as you can see, I began another chat and said, "Hey, can you write me an ebook?" This is when ChatGPT comes into play. She then said, "Yes, I can write you an ebook, no problem." "Can you write me a 10-chapter book regarding a breakup?" I then asked. Because the product they were considering was in the self-help marital relationship category, that's why I chose to go with a breakup. That was done. With this, it sort of hit me. For the full ebook, it divided the content into 10 distinct chapters. "Can you write me a 300-word chapter for chapter 1? Is now what I asked. That's precisely what she did as well. I stated to Chapter 2 in exactly the same way. For Chapter 2, it performed the exact same action once more. For all 10 chapters, she did it. I could then copy and paste the full ebook into a document to make sure everything was correct. Check for spelling and grammar, and then save it as PDF. You may go to Canva and make an ebook cover if you're following along step by step. Because they have so many various ebook cover layouts, it is really simple to accomplish. The next step is to develop a landing page, which can be done relatively easily using an Aweber, and you may do so by creating a free account. This landing page will let you link the email address of the individual who has expressed interest in your material, as well as give you a professional appearance. You may set up an email sequence once you've automated your landing page so that it sends the ebook anytime someone enters their email address. Additionally, you may automatically send that individual all of your ClickBank affiliate links. However, there are a ton of other ways that you can use this AI bot to earn money online. If you decide to do another in-depth video outlining some of these other uses, let me know in the comments section below, hey, do another ChatGPT video, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. And if you want to see another YouTube video I recently created in which I explain everything I personally do to use an AI website to make money so that you guys can gain insight into what might also be effective for you, be sure to watch the 2 videos that will appear on the screen. Since it has already benefited so many people, watch that video after this one. And I have no doubt that it will benefit you as well. Thanks for watching, and this is That Ninja AI signing off.